Hey guys, it's Steffi here and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a mermaid inspired look. I hope that you guys enjoy this one. Let's have a bit of fun and get creative. Alright, so let's start off with some primer. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Base Primer, and I'm just going to use the grabbing a bit like that and literally covering all over my face. I'm going to pull my hair behind my ears so I don't get makeup all over my hair. Okay, now that I've done the primer, we're going straight in with the foundation. This is the OXX Studio Longwear Foundation. Literally going to grab a foundation brush and just put the foundation on like so, and then chuck that all over my face. So I'm grabbing the Flower Beauty Concealer. This is just a Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer, like so. And we're literally gonna go and pop this on my eyelids, under my eyebrow area. So that means we've got a nice base. Just gonna go and grab a eyeshadow brush, like so, and just blend this all out. I hope that you all had a wonderful Easter and stayed safe. I had a good Easter. Making sure that we spread this all nicely and not get a big amount of like concealer just like blotched there like so, because I mean that's not fun at all. Alright, so we've done that. We're going to go and grab a powder brush and we're going to grab a pressed powder, literally going into there. This is an OXX one, and powdering my eyes, so that means we can put the eyeshadow on there. We're going to go in with the 39L Morphe Hit the Lights Artistry palette. We're going to go straight and dive into this color here. So this is called Euphoric. And I'm going to grab a smudge brush by Sephora. So this one's nice and thick and it's going to grab a lot of product. I'm going to dive into that one like so. Put that in the inner sections of my eye. And I'm just going to dab that in there because I really want this to be very intense. We're going to go in with the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. This shade here is called Gumdrop. So we're just going to go and add that one next. So it's just going to go right next to that color there. I'm going to do the same with the other side. Now let's be real, you see so many people and they go and they do their makeup and I don't know, they just get this perfectly amazing crease. You're like, damn, like every time I go and do that it's just like, it doesn't work. So that's why I am not too fussed over it. Don't be so hard on yourself because we're going to fix all that and you will see. So this looks pretty dodgy at the moment. So the next color that I'm going to go into is this purple here. This is called Bite Me. This one's got a beautiful shimmer to it and I really like this, and I think this will be perfect for the outer edging. So we're going to go straight into that one and do the outer edging. We're going to go and get a blending brush and we're going to literally blend all this out very gently because I don't want to lose those colors in between. Alrighty, and now I'm going to go and get some more of that concealer, and now we're going to make that nice beautiful crease line. So literally going a little bit above where you want it to be, because what you're going to do is not use this to make that crease line. Grabbing that brush and then literally going and making this beautiful crease. What I will say is just take your time when focusing on these areas. I'm going to get an angled liner brush like so. Here is called Reckless. So this is this gorgeous color here. You're going to go above this purple. And I'm just going to dab it. I want it to be in a specific location. So we're just making sure that when we dab this, we're not spreading it. And then I'm going to grab over the top of that a little bit of sparkle. So I'm going to go in with Cotton Candy. So this one here is really sparkly. It's very pretty. We're going to use the same brush again and go over that with that color. Okay, so now we've got that pink there. We're going to get that blending shadow brush again and we're just going to gently blend this out. And I don't want to lose that colouring, so I'm literally just going to the edging. I'm not going through the whole like colour itself or that whole line itself. I'm just grabbing the edging. So you can see the difference already with just a bit of blending, how much nicer that looks. I'm going in with a different angled liner brush. So this is the Sephora one. Got this shade here which looks like it would be very pretty. So this one is called Ghosted. So I'm just trying to dab it to make it really intense. Okay, so now that we've got that white section there, so we're going to go a natural colour with the eyebrows. So I'm getting the angled liner brush again, going in with this colour here. This one is called Tasty. It's a nice brown shade, and I'm going to put that all over my eyebrows and get some eyebrow shape happening. I hope that everyone is safe and well at the moment, and you know, just taking care and looking after one another, especially for those of you who are alone. Just know that there are people that still love you and still care about you. And that, you know, once this is all done, we will be able to see each other again soon. For now, we're going to conceal the eyebrows, make them nice and pretty. We're going to conceal under the eyes as well. Alright, now that I've concealed that, I'm just going to go in with the eyeshadow brush again and just blend all this out. Whilst we've been stuck at home, I have been online shopping. I'm not going to lie. It is very dangerous. And I've been ordering some new makeup products, so hopefully they'll be coming in soon. I'm very excited to try out these new things. Who else has been guilty of online shopping? I mean, it is very dangerous right now to shop because you can just shop in the comfort of your own home, and a lot of stores are still open. Just make sure that when you're online shopping, guys, just check to see what the virus is doing at this stage with that company, because some shops are closed for the time being, and you can still order some things online and they will be shipped out after the restrictions have been lifted. So just double check when you're online shopping, okay? Because I have seen a lot of comments like with certain makeup companies and they're like, oh, we ordered it like 2 weeks ago and still nothing's come and I've got no tracking number and stuff. It's probably most likely due to the fact that they are not open for business at all. So just double check that, okay? Okay, so that's now everything nice and concealed. We are going to go and do the cheeks and stuff. This is going to look quite white, so I'm just going to get some more of my foundation on the foundation brush and just get rid of all this whiteness that's happening. This is the fun part. I found this. So this is just like a table runner, or leftovers from a table runner that I had, and I've got like a little crafting section. So I'm going to use this today to make my mermaiding thing. So we're going to go along the cheek area here. I'm going to grab a nice brush that I normally would use for my contouring, so this little contour brush, and I'm going to hold this here and then I'm going to get it a nice colour. So let's get into the colours. We're going to start off with this colour here. So this one here is called Strobin, and it's a nice shimmer. I'm just going to grab some of that on my brush. So I'm just going to hold it in the area that I want my cheeks to be, and I'm literally going to go over it like this. So I'm just going to remove this like that, and you'll see that there's some dots happening, but I don't want to lose those dot shapes. Okay, so now I'm going to go into another shade. We're going to grab an eyeshadow. So we're going to grab Cotton Candy, and we're going to literally use that on my cheeks as well. So we're just going to lightly dab into that because that is quite an intense colour, and add that into there. And then we're going to add a little bit of purple as well. So we're going to go in with that shade Bite Me as well. So that purple shade right there next to the yellow. And we're going to put that right on the top. Then we should see what the result is. Okay, ready, set, go. How cool is that? And now we're going to go and do the same with the other side. And then presto. Okay, so now we've gone and we've done that. I'm going to go and add like a little line here, like a little shading line. So I'm going to use this edging as my shading line, and I'm going to put that underneath, and we're literally going to put some colour there. So we're going to put a little bit of that purple, that Bite Me shade, just along the bottom line there. Just like so. And don't worry about anything that's outside of that because we can fix that. Now we're pretty contoured. Okay, we're going to go and put some on our forehead as well. So I'm just going to put like little pieces of it. So I just want like a little edging of my face to have some dots. So we're going to go in with all the shades in those same orders. Like so. And we're going to do the same with the other side. Now I'm just going to blend it, the colours a little bit, blending that harsh line a little bit. And now we're going to go and fix the underside here. Go and grab some foundation. And I'm just going to put some foundation down there to just really make the area look really clean and tidy, define that line a little bit more. I'm going to go in with some glitter primer. This is just a BYS glitter primer, and we're going to add a little bit of bling bling to this. So I'm literally going to go and put this primer on the areas where colour has been. So I'm just going to go in the pink sections, just add the tiniest amount of this primer. Then I'm literally going to go and grab some glitter. This is some chunky pink glitter because I love my chunky pink. I'm literally going to try and grab some on my finger like so. It's very pretty. Being very gentle with this because look, I'm already getting glitter everywhere. Then I'm literally going to go and place it on those spots. And then I'm going to go and do this on the other side. So I'm just going to leave it as a line because I want it to have that effect, okay? I don't want the whole section to be in glitter. So we're going to go and add this to the other side. So it looks like that. And then we're going to add just a couple of pieces on the forehead, just little bits of glitter. And then I'm going to add some to my eyes as well. I'm just going to add it to the end of my eyes. When you try and get rid of what you think is glitter, but it's your own mole. Okay, so now we're going to go and do our lips. We're going to add some shades. I'm going to start off with a MAC lip gloss. This is a really, really pretty shade. This is in Baby Sparks. So we're going to add that to our lips. And now we're going to add some colour. First things first, we're going to add some of the colours that we have previously used. We're going to start off with the Jeffree Star Cotton Candy colour. and I'm just literally going to grab it with my finger like so, gently into there like that. And then we're going to put this on our lip, put this on the outer edges. If you ever do not have the colours, which I'm constantly never having the colours that match my eyes, just use the eyeshadow colour. Use a gloss, use the eyeshadow colour, and it works a treat. And this gloss will help make it stick there but not be dry on your lips. Okay, so I've added that nice pink shade. I'm now going to go in with that colour called Bite Me. This one here. We're going to add that to the centre region. Same thing again with the finger, in with the colour like so. Then we want that inner section to be really like shimmery and pretty. So I'm going to go into this palette again and we're going to use Euphoric, this colour here. I've grabbed that colour like so. Then we're going to add some sparkles again to this. So I'm just going to grab some of that primer, adding a little smidgen to our finger, like so. We're going to put this everywhere. I'm going to grab some of that glitter, again, so that nice pretty glitter, and just put that all over my lips. And then I'm going to go and do my eyelashes. So I'm literally going to go in with a Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara. And we're going to add some eyelashes to me. I will tell you that if you have never used glitter before, be prepared that glitter is going to go everywhere. Because it does. And I guarantee that you will find glitter the day after and probably the day after that too. Okay, and that's the eyelashes done. We're going to put the hair back in its place. Like so. And there you guys have it. So this is the Mermaid Look. It is very pink and purple inspired. I feel like a little Barbie. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys would like to see next, because I am very inspired and sometimes I just think on the go, and I would like to have your feedback. So let me know what you would like. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you all. Bye.